Hello everyone. The most frustrating part of any job search isn't just tailoring your resume, it's managing all the different versions. Your experience, skills, projects they have all common and needs constantly be updated and refreshed. I wanted to build a better system, so I created resume.ai. So as you can see, this is my dashboard where you can find all the recent conversation, all the active conversation, total conversation that have been taken place till now, and files that are being uploaded. If we go down, we can find quick action buttons. Here you can find create conversation, view files, and previous work, which through which we can navigate across our system. So now let's jump right into it. So at first we'll create a new conversation. Here we need to fill out our personal information, professional details, educational details, projects we have done till now, all the certification, skills we have acquired till now, and then upload a job description. Our model will analyze our job description and then summarize what it's asking and what are the requirements, eligibility, what are the roles you will be taking on. So let's use a demo profile. Information for professional details and then projects and certifications. So now let's move on to analyzing part. So once we click on analyze and create tailored resume, our program will connect to Open Router API for OpenAI's GPT OSS 20B model and then use it to summarize our job description and it will provide all the basic information that are needed like the role we'll be taking and key requirements for that role, technical skills that are requirement and experience level that are needed. So now move on. As we can see, it is also providing us a recommendation. Like here, it is recommending us for skills that are needed for these roles, like cloud platforms and other other tech skills like ML and AI, Databricks, Protective and Generative AI. And it is also recommending us to add some more diverse works experience as we have only added a works experience based on a web development as and the role is asking for a machine learning role. So now when we click on tailored resume part, it will give out all the information that are needed or basically a tailored resume according to the job description we have added. So as you can see, it will use our own field data along with OpenAI's GPT OSS 20B models to fill out all the necessary information for a resume. So as you can see, we have filled out the John Doe data for demo profile. So it is using that only. So John Doe, as you can see, email, it is moving on to the John Doe email, then the phone number, LinkedIn, and GitHub portfolio profiles that we have not added, but it's still being listed, but won't be forwarding there. Then a summary, basically a small summary according to the job description. And then tech skills, all the tech skills that we have added. And the tech skills that we have added, it will basically add some frameworks related to those tech skills. Like here it is adding Node.js, Express, and React.js, even though we have not added Express, but it is basically tailoring it according to the job description we have added. Then also the professional experience. As you can see, we have already added the software engineering intern for Fidelity and investment for 3 months part. So it is taking a demo months like June 2023 to August 2023, along with all the details that we have added. Like we have added a description of, as you can see, we have added a description for the developing a web application using Node.js and Python frameworks. So it is adding the description according to that, and along with that, it is also adding some more details like from our own added tech skills like building and exposing RESTful APIs and AWS Lambda, as I have already added the AWS certification. Then the project that I have added, it is being listed here, and description of that project, then education details, and then certifications. It is basically listing it, and the other links. So now this is it for our resume part. So as we can move back to the total conversations, we can see that earlier we have already added five conversations, but since we have added a new conversation, so our new conversations is being listed here with a date, timestamp of 11/9/2025, and if we want to check our all previous conversation, then we can just navigate to the previous conversation part, and then here we can filter out all our details accordingly. And if we want, we can also download, analyze, or view our own resume part.